Hi, how's it going? This is the owner of Gunny's Metal Mounting. Obviously not a Gunny anymore, but things I wanted to go over for the tutorial is materials that you guys need to mount metals by yourself, how to prep metals, devices in the mounting bar, how to use the metal mounting tool, how to mount the metals, and then obviously the devices itself. Okay. I'm going to go exactly in that order. So first thing being your metals and devices, you're going to need those things. So buy all those things up. And then you're going to need to make your metal mounting backings. So the tool I make has a stencil just like this. You just cut it out onto a metal backing here. It's firm enough now. Then when you guys use it, it keeps the metals nice and straight. Then you're going to use a double-sided tape for the metal itself. So I use this double-sided taping. If you guys get it thicker, it's better, but just be cognizant of you get the larger metals. What I mean by larger metals is these are bigger. It's going to take up more area for the fabric, so you might have some tape showing at the trim down. Next thing being your eyebrow tweezers. You're gonna need a sewing kit. So from the sewing kit, you're gonna need the needle itself for applying glue to your devices and then removing the glue in excess. Next thing being glue. I use shoe glue. Looks like this. I sell it in the PX. I use it because it does leave stain marks on your metals, and if you mess up, doesn't ruin it. You can just redo it all over again. I also use scissors for trimming the fabric on the metal itself. Obviously cutting out stencils, and then I use this thing for when I'm actually cutting vertical cuts in the fabric to get past the mounting bars. Next thing being Gerber and tweezers. So you guys can use a Gerber just to grab the device and hold it while you're putting the glue on it. You guys can use some tweezers like this if you guys have them. I think you guys are familiar with nail clippers, but just using it to remove the backing on any of the devices. All right. Showed you some of the devices. So these are for the large metals. This being for the smaller ones. I think the only thing I can cover right now is the actual sewing needle itself.